Hi guys, after multiple tries, I'm telling you, I'm not even lying. Finally, I've come to the understanding of how to resolve these forces, okay? And I made 3 videos and as I was doing it, I keep on realizing, wait, it's not supposed to be like that. And now I finally, hopefully, have realized how to do this. So this is Form 5, Chapter 1, Physics, SPM 2024. Okay, the question itself is not hard. It's quite straightforward and easy, but I make it hard because I always get confused with where the theta would be. Okay, like it doesn't make sense to me. Like where would it be? Like where would it be? Like how do I like do this, like do that, and like that? Like wait, actually, if I do this, if I do this, and then I do that, and then I do that, like where would the theta be? Like here? And then if I do it like that, and then where would it be? And there's this, where would it be now? Like here? Yeah, exactly. Wait. Not me giving this a try. Okay, maybe if I do it big enough, woo, then maybe I can see. Dang. Yeah. No. Okay, never mind about that. So first off, let's answer the first question. State the force F that opposes the boy's direction of motion. So this is F. It opposes the boy's direction of motion, which is WX. And what's the name of that force? It's frictional force, because the definition of frictional force is the force that opposes the active force forward. So this is frictional force. Okay, now the weight W of the boy is 300 Newton. Calculate the component of the weight that is parallel to the inclined plane WX. So they basically want us to find Fx. So what do I mean by that? Okay, let's do a straight line here. Okay, let me remove this W and let me label it 300 Newton. And let me put a straight line that's parallel to WX and label it as Fx. Then let me put another straight line downwards, which will be known as Fy. Then I'll do a dotted line, ding, 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 to show the right angle hypotenuse, which is the resultant force that I'm resolving into 2 components right now. Okay, so now, where would the theta be? Okay, you know, a lot of people keep saying like, oh, it's like this. Like the first thing I tried doing. I genuinely can't see it. Okay, I genuinely can't see it, but okay, I have come to the understanding that there's no possible explanation, and I've tried asking ChatGPT and other people, so you know what, it's fine. So the theta will always be here at the end. Wait, let me put a more prominent color. Okay, green. The theta will always be here, like at the end, like the Fy, like the, not just Fy lah, as in like the arrow of the boy. Okay, let's say an object. Okay, this is an object. Okay, it has a force up, it has a force down, and then suddenly, boom, there's the resultant force here, and there's that. Okay, the theta will always be here, like at the last arrow, macam perpendicular to the boy. Like, I don't know why, but it's just like that. Okay, the theta will always be there if you're talking about an inclined plane lah, because like inclined plane ada macam theta kat tepi ni. Yeah, so the theta will be here. Don't ask me why, I don't know. So this is 30 degree, so this means that this is 30 degree. Oop, that's green. Okay, so it means that this is 30 degree. Okay, so if since it's like this, then this means that your Wx will be the opposite. This will be hypotenuse, this will be adjacent. So in order to find Wx, we use sine theta, which is equal to O over H. Now substitute the value. We have 30, and our O is Wx, and our H is 300. So Wx is equal to 150 Newton. Yay! Okay. Now, state one equation that relates the force F to Wx. Okay, it's very easy. So Wx is more than F, right? So Wx minus F is equal to resultant force. Now, forces of equilibrium. What does the physics concept involve? Personally, I'm not sure if this ball is in forces of equilibrium or not. But then because that's like the only physics concept that we did learn, so just answer forces of equilibrium. If anyone